2,000-year-old computer. It sounds impossible, doesn't it? But this is a true story. In 1901, a group of sponge divers sought shelter from a storm near the Greek island of Antikythera. Diving nearly 45 meters beneath the surface, they discovered the wreck of an ancient Roman merchant ship. The seabed was covered with bronze statues, pottery, and priceless artifacts that had rested there for centuries. But among those treasures was something that looked completely ordinary: a heavily corroded lump of bronze. No one realized that this small object would become one of the greatest archaeological mysteries in history. The recovered artifacts were transported to Athens for examination. Months later, while conservators carefully studied the corroded bronze, they noticed something extraordinary hidden inside: tiny bronze gears. This was no ordinary artifact. Dozens of precision-cut gears were packed together in a way no one expected from the ancient world. For decades, scientists struggled to understand what this mysterious device was. As technology improved, so did the investigation. Using modern X-ray imaging and advanced 3D scanning, researchers were finally able to look inside the mechanism without damaging it. What they discovered astonished the world. This remarkable device could predict the movements of the sun and the moon. It could calculate lunar phases. It could even predict eclipses with impressive accuracy. Some researchers also believe it was capable of tracking the movements of several known planets. And it accomplished all of this without electricity. Studies suggest the mechanism was built sometime between 150 and 100 BC, more than 2,000 years ago. Mechanical systems this sophisticated would not appear again in Europe for many centuries. The truth is, we still don't know. Some historians believe that the scientific ideas of Archimedes may have inspired later generations of engineers. Others argue that the mechanism was created by highly skilled Greek astronomers and craftsmen working together. So far, no historical document has revealed its true creator. But one fact is beyond dispute. The Antikythera Mechanism was an extraordinary achievement of ancient engineering. Its carefully designed bronze gears worked together with astonishing precision to perform complex astronomical calculations entirely through mechanical motion. Today, many historians and scientists describe it as the world's first known analog computer. This remarkable machine reminds us that the ancient world may have possessed far more scientific knowledge than we once imagined. Perhaps only fragments of that knowledge have survived to the present day. Wars, natural disasters, and the passage of time have erased countless inventions and discoveries throughout human history. Yet somehow, the Antikythera mechanism survived. Today, it rests quietly inside a museum, silent, motionless. But every bronze gear still asks the same question: how much do we really know about our past? Perhaps humanity didn't just lose an ancient machine. Perhaps we lost centuries of knowledge along with it. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment for future discoveries. Stay healthy until the next video.